Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy here today to show you how to reset your oil life monitor on a 2014 and up Chevy truck. So you see on the screen here, you got your controls here. We're currently at the speed menu. You're just going to go down through your trip, fuel range, get to oil life. As you see, I've already done the oil change. I've reset it to 100%. But all you're going to do is see this little check mark button next to my thumb here. Hold it. You're going to hear the truck beep, and it'll reset to 100%. Normally what would happen, you hear that beep, this would be at like 0, 8, whatever, it'll reset to 100 to confirm it. But I'm going to be quiet so you can hear that beep one more time. Like I say, just hold the check mark, and then it's reset.